The best sports cars wins hearts and open money bags like nothing else in the world. What would be a liability for a product is a key aspect of what makes a great sports car truly exceptional. The speed and the sheer thrill of driving are why we are classified to be so extremely valued. Let's take a look at the top 10 most expensive sports cars in the world. But before we get started, please be sure to like and subscribe to Sports Stars and click the bell to be notified with our newest videos. Number 10. Hennessy Venom F5. Cost $1.6 million. Made in the USA and was released in 2019, this bad boy had certainly made a statement. With more than 1,451 horsepower under the hood, this sports car's performance speaks for itself. The Venom F5 is sold for $1.6 million. We are so delighted to see its further action as a contender in the global competition as one of the fastest hypercars on the market. Number 9. Pagani Zonda Sync Roadster. Cost $1.8 million. With a dry weight of just 2,677 pounds and a 6-speed sequential gearbox, this sports car is one every purist will adore. A V12 engine with 678 horsepower on a carbon fiber body is always going to be a demand top dollar. This car is highly sought after, with only 5 available for sale in the world. Not many automakers like Horatio Pagani can bring to market the combination of eccentric luxury, pure performance, and thrilling sounds and driving dynamics. Number 8. Ferrari LaFerrari. Cost $2.2 million. Ferrari will always make it to the list as always. The Ferrari LaFerrari is a sports car so nice they named it twice. The price of $2.2 million has quickly been outpaced on the second-hand market, as many buyers are willing to pay far beyond the original price as they have limited production of only 500 units. Number 7. McLaren Senna. Cost $2.6 million. This Roadster is a tribute to the partnership of Senna with McLaren. With a 4.0 liters M84 TR twin-turbo V8, 588 kW of power is delivered via 7-speed transmission to generate a max output of 789 horsepower. This car's lightweight construction ensures that it glides as it drives. Like the Ferrari LaFerrari, they only produce 500 units. So collectors are battling their way to get the rareness of this bad boy. Number 6. Bugatti Chiron. Cost $2.8 million. Bugatti is finding no issues moving vehicles and making sales despite their skyrocket price. The waiting list was so insanely long, as these collectors and enthusiasts couldn't wait to get their hands on Chiron. This is said to be one of the absolute fastest cars in the world, with a 0.60 time of 2.3 seconds and a top speed, and that is so ridiculously high. If you think that you've seen it all, we haven't even reached the top yet. So, what do you think our number 1 on this list is? You could put your guess on our comment section below. And be excited to know if you are correct once this video ends. So sit tight as we are nearing the top 3 videos. Number 5. Aston Martin Valkyrie. Cost? $3.2 million. Aston Martin, a British manufacturer famous for James Bond vehicles, has produced Valkyrie, which is among the world's most expensive cars in the world. Partnering with Austrian Formula One racing team Red Bull Racing, the Valkyrie boasts a 6.5 liters Cosworth natural aspirated V12 engine. A 7-speed Ricardo dual clutch delivers a whopping 1,130 horsepower and is good for a 0 to 60 time of 2.5 seconds. Number 4. Pininfarina Serio. Cost? $3.4 million. Italian-made cars are not behind the list as they manufactured Ferrari Pininfarina Serio, built on the chassis of the Ferrari 458. This car is a great example of how sports cars can project a futuristic look while retaining a truly classic design. With just 5 autos released, the expected prices would even go higher and may possibly become the most sought-after cars in the collector's world. Number 3. Lykan Hypersport. Cost? $3.4 million. W Motors has performance covered with Porsche Source Twin Turbo Flag 6, good for 750 horsepower and a 2.8 seconds 0 to 60 time. What made it so expensive are the blinks added. LED highlights are covered with diamonds or any other precious stones, as requested by the buyer. It's a combination of pure performance and sophistication. No wonder Lykan Hypersport hails the 3rd spot being the most expensive vehicle. Number 2. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. Cost? $4.5 million. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster looks like a race car, sounds like it, and anyone who drives it knows. It really feels like a real race car. If you have enough money to shell out, this ride is a must-buy, as it goes 0.6 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The only catch is that there are only 9 models produced, so it's expected that the price may hike up and it's very difficult to acquire. Have you guessed our number 1? Number 1. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. Cost? $4.8 million. With a 4.7 liters V8 engine that delivers a top speed of 254 miles per hour, 1,018 horsepower, and 797 pound-feet of torque, this car will be desired by anyone who drives it. Made of carbon fiber Kevlar and aluminum honeycomb, this mid-engine sports car has a flat underside with rear venturi tunnels. With the bonus of an optional spoiler on the back, you can increase downforce even more. Just in case 254 miles per hour doesn't seem to have enough power for you. As it represents a peak in performance, the price is enough to roll every collector's heads, as these prices won't go down for a while. Which one on the list did you like the most? I'm sure you've been making your own list in your head. Please let us know if we missed anything or what you want to see next. Just comment down below if you wish to get your suggestions heard. And who knows, We will feature it for you in our next videos. Show us some love by liking and subscribing to Sports Stars. And click the bell so you won't miss our future videos. Make sure to watch other videos on our channel that you will surely enjoy. Thanks for watching.